Up that gave him the yardage.
Hey YouTube, it's me, Caleb Kib, Schmaltz Vacuums. Well, as you can see, I'm sitting in my car, like I usually am.
He got nailed. He got nailed back
Let's
a
check
little
this
bit.
out.
He got nailed back to the 1 yard line.
Here's what our weather's been like all since probably about 1 o'clock. It is windy as can be out right now. It's basically blowing my laptop out of my hands. As you can see, the wind's picked up tremendously. I don't even know if you guys can hear me talk, but it's supposed to be, actually they said there's supposed to be very strong winds. As you can see, it's whipping around the trees pretty well, a lot. If I didn't have my laptop, it would blow away. But yeah. I last videotaped. As you can see, the trees across the road are waving back pretty good. I'm just waiting for it to pick up again any second here. And it will be 3rd down and about a yard on a short gain there by Ben Jarvis. Listening to the Cincinnati Bengals and Cleveland Browns game. Cleveland's winning, but it's 20-14 right now. But